All right, just for fun, we're gonna make the easiest Big Mac. It's gonna be quicker than waiting in a drive-thru at McDonald. Okay, here are the ingredients. Some regular ground beef. If you can get regular ground beef, it's the best. Try to avoid the lean stuff. You want the regular stuff with a little fat in it. That's what you want for your McDonald's Big Mac, okay? Plastic cutting board, spatula for flattening these flatty patties. You want some mayo, you want some ketchup, you want some lettuce. Garlic powder is optional. Salt, pepper, some sliced Kraft cheese, some Wonder Bread, some pickles, and a bread knife. Flatten this bad boy out. The flatter the patty, the more like McDonald's it will be. Now it's gonna shrink when you cook it. So that's nice 1/4 cup flatty patty, okay? I'm gonna make a couple of these. Every time you touch raw meat, make sure you wash your hands, okay? A little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt. I like to cook on an iron skillet. Make sure it's nice and hot, preheat it. All right, while that's preheating, we're gonna make some really quick mac sauce, okay? So put some mayo in the bowl. This isn't the official recipe, but it's a very quick one and it does the trick, okay? A little bit of ketchup, just a little bit. A little bit of garlic powder. You don't really need it, but as an option, why not? I mean, mac sauce is just basically pure mayo anyway. Okay, our skillet is nice and hot. Take the spatula and just place these right on the grill. Nothing on the grill, just the beef straight on. Because this is regular ground beef, not lean, the fat in the beef is gonna be all you need. You don't have to put any oil or anything in the pan, okay? Oh yeah, they stick together nice. There we go, flip one over. Because they're so flat, they cook in no time. Once the juices are running clear, they're ready to go, okay? So you can just take them out, put them on a plate, or if you're already prepped your bun, you can throw them right on the bun, but my bun's not ready yet. Okay, so here's our Wonder Bread bun. Take the top side, give it a nice careful slice with our bread knife. I like to toast these two bottom pieces, so I'm gonna throw them in the toaster right now. All right, let's slice up some pickles. Now these are tiny little pickles. I didn't actually have regular pickles. These are actually gherkins, so whatever. Put a little mac sauce on the bottom. Put a patty on. Put a little more mac sauce, why not? Throw a couple pickles on there. The middle part on. Throw the other patty on there. Unwrap the cheese. Get a little more mac sauce on there. A little ketchup on there. On top.